Needles and suction cups? Sounds painful, but millions swear by it. Acupuncture and cupping therapy have been practiced for over 2,500 years, yet scientists still debate how they actually work. Let's uncover the truth behind these ancient healing techniques. Acupuncture comes from traditional Chinese medicine, TCM. It involves inserting thin needles into specific energy points, called meridians, to restore balance in the body. But how does cupping fit in? In cupping therapy, glass or silicone cups are placed on the skin and suctioned to improve circulation. Some believe it removes toxins, reduces inflammation, and relieves muscle pain. The dark marks left behind. That's just pooled blood from the suction, not bruising. Some researchers believe acupuncture stimulates nerves and releases endorphins, our body's natural painkillers. Cupping may help increase blood flow and reduce muscle tightness. Studies show both treatments may help with chronic pain, stress, and migraines. Some say it's just the placebo effect, while others report life-changing relief. Whether science fully explains it or not, acupuncture and cupping continue to be popular healing methods worldwide. So, is acupuncture and cupping ancient wisdom or modern myth? Have you tried it? Like, subscribe, and let's explore more fascinating health practices.